Hello everyone. One of the most difficult choice you have to make is selecting a programming language that has good support for test automation. I like to share why Selenium and Python is a preferred option for test automation. Number 1. Less verbose and easy to read. Python is one of the best programming language when it comes to ease of coding and ease of reading. In comparison to other programming languages that can be used for Selenium test automation, Python contains less verbosity and is relatively easy to use. APIs that realize Python test automation is used for connecting to the web browser through the Selenium automation framework. Number 2. Exhaustive test frameworks. PyUnit is the default test framework in Python. Apart from PyUnit, the Python language supports a number of frameworks for Selenium testing. Very few programming languages offer such variety in automation test frameworks, thereby making Python the best scripting language for test automation. Number 3. Super easy parallel testing. All programming language supports parallel testing with Selenium, but it is damn easy to use in Python. Number 4. Easy to install packages. PIP is the standard package management system in Python. Installing a new package using PIP does not require downloading the package. Number 5. Multiple paradigm programming language. The readability and implementation of test functions using Python are better, since the framework does not put compulsion of adding test functions into classes. Unlike other programming languages, Python lets the test automation engineer decide whether classes or function should be used for Selenium test automation. Number 6. Powerful and hassle-free reporting. Reporting is one of the principal factors for Selenium test automation. Powerful reports that give the right information in concise and understandable form can be sent to stakeholders so that they are aware of the progress on the testing front. Report generation for Selenium test can be done without much effort in PyTest. Number 7. Easy integration with CI/CD tools. It is easy to use Jenkins with PyTest as the shift from the local environment to Jenkins involved minimal steps, making the switch super simple. Thank you.